So this is our playlist again, another video to it, the Andrew Cuomo playlist, what happened. And today I'm going to go over how Assemblyman Ron Kim made a great piece of legislation that was signed by Andrew Cuomo, signed into the law by Andrew Cuomo, effectively repealing his own liability shield for hospitals and nursing home corporations. So what happened, if you remember, I know it's been a couple weeks since I've done an Andrew Cuomo video. He sent people who had tested positive for COVID into nursing homes, killing grandma and grandpa, and then he got donations from the hospitals and the nursing corporations, at least $2.2 to $2.3 million, and then he created a liability shield in the budget in April last year so that they couldn't be held accountable, and then he miscounted the data, misreported it because the Trump administration was investigating him and he didn't want to help them in the investigation, and so of all the deaths. And then he used state resources to favor and prioritize his friends and family to get COVID tests over everybody else in New York. So that's just a summary. Now so this liability shield shielded any nursing home or corporation, hospital corporation, from being held accountable for their actions. And remember, these guys are they're in anyway, they are they're making decisions on PPE, on staffing, on testing kits, on all kinds of things. And they unfortunately killed 10 to 15,000 people, and so they got a liability shield from Andrew Cuomo. So now, the other thing I'll mention is Republicans did this nationally. Mitch McConnell literally took it and copied and pasted what Andrew Cuomo did. Copied and pasted it into the Senate bill for COVID relief. But fortunately, the Washington lawmakers, some of them, and the media were kind of like, hey, what the hell is this? Why are you doing this? They were very skeptical, so it didn't pass. But unfortunately, in Albany, New York, and other places, especially Republican-led places, states, it passed. So companies, corporations have a lot of liability protection against being sued. So this legislation restores the right for people to be sued, for people to sue for killing. So for people to sue these corporations for killing their family members and friends. So this is very good for everybody involved, and so I'm just excited that they were able to get this done. And look, I mean, Andrew Cuomo is still getting tongue baths from the media, and I just really hope that someone can take him down. Now, look, they're starting impeachment investigations. I really, as Assemblyman Ron Kim, I can't talk. As he said, we don't need an investigation. There's already impeachable offenses here, evidence of him for impeachment. The longer this guy's in office, the more he's going to use his resources to try and shield himself. So, very, very good development in this case. And look, Letitia James, who he endorsed, the Attorney General of the state, is really putting the heat under his ass. She's subpoenaing people. She's got people subpoenaed. The FBI is looking into it. The federal, the Justice Department and the federal government, and you've also got the Assembly and the hopefully the Senate soon. So sad that all of this had to happen, but again, this just shows public pressure works, because Andrew Cuomo is now getting rid of that piece of legislation that honestly protected people that don't need to be protected. So again, Assemblyman Ron Kim created a piece of legislation that got signed into law by Andrew Cuomo, repealed the liability protections. People now have the right to sue. They're starting impeachment investigations, although they could impeach him now. And Letitia James is heating up her investigations. So is the Justice Department. It's it's getting heated for Andrew Cuomo, and quite frankly, if I'm going to be honest with you, I'm kind of all here for it. I'm here for all of it. So If you like thanks for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you think of this Andrew Cuomo scandal. Is he gonna get away with it? Is he gonna be? Who's gonna get him first? The Attorney General, the Assembly, or the Federal Justice Department? So, all right, everybody.